In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Using GIFs can add a fun and lively touch to your conversations, so getting them enabled is a great way to enhance your messaging experience. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams application open. You can do this on your desktop or even on your Android device. Just find the icon and give it a click or tap. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Teams home screen. Now, look over to the sidebar on your left. Here, you'll see a variety of options for navigating the app. Click on the Chat section. This section is where all your conversations happen, whether they're one-on-one chats or group discussions. Next, you'll want to select a specific chat. You can open any individual chat or a group conversation in which you'd like to use GIFs. This could be a conversation with a colleague, a friend, or your entire team. Once you've opened up your chat, look at the bottom of the chat window. Here, you'll find a small emoji icon. It's usually located in the message input area. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the emoji and media options. Now that you have the emoji menu open, keep an eye out for the GIF library option. This option will appear once you've activated the emoji selection. Click on the GIF library to explore the wide array of GIFs available for your use. If it's your first time accessing GIFs in Teams, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm the use of third-party GIFs. This is a standard security measure. Simply click the Accept button to proceed. It's a quick step but essential for enabling GIF functionality. Once you've accepted, you can start browsing through the GIF options. This is where the fun begins. Scroll through the library or use the search function to find a specific GIF that suits your mood or the message you want to convey. Whether you're looking for something funny, motivational, or just a cute cat GIF, you're sure to find something that adds flair to your messages. After you've chosen the perfect GIF, simply click on it and it will automatically be inserted into your chat. Now you can send your message with that extra bit of personality. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully enabled and used GIFs in Microsoft Teams. Utilizing GIFs can transform your conversations into something much more engaging and expressive. So don't hesitate to get creative and have fun with your chats. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting with GIFs in Microsoft Teams.